Oh, John, you barely had it. You barely. See that?
Catch me in the kitchen. They like, what you whipping? Catfish from the aquaquarium, you know that I be fishing. Yeah. I just dropped the bait, know the catfish on the way. Aquaquarium to the crease and then drop them on the plate. Up early in the morning by the break of dawn. Oh, y'all know we getting up early now. Y'all better get it to the river, I'ma have some fun. Wake up! Oh, we gon' have a fine at any time now. I'm the catfish king of the aquaquarium. The king now. Boats hooked up. Rides on the boat. Gonna have some fun. Oh, yeah. It's a pool, baby. I'm the catfish king of the aquaquarium.
So we making music, y'all.
I got that infamous AJ Outlaw, aka DGF.
And you know it.
For the 4th season.
Yes,
I got
sir.
that Benjamin, known as The Voice.
And what's happening, people? We are in the house.
And I got my partner, JC Raider.
We're back, Jack.
We back. So, we're gonna get a few noodles in the water. Then we're gonna bait up our lines. We're gonna see how long it takes for a noodle to hit. But we finna try to catch some catfish, y'all. We'll holler at y'all later. Peace. And toss it. There we go. AJ and Benjamin, they are hooking up the noodles. Toss it. How many more we got? Two?
Two.
Alright.
Putting out that barnyard pimp.
Chicken.
I didn't realize catfish like Chick-fil-A.
It's the fillets. It is definitely the fillets. Now, ladies and gentlemen, now that we got all the noodles out, we're finna go ahead and pre-bait our lines so we can make it faster when it's time to go down to the barge.
They like, what you whipping? Catfish from the aquaquarium, you know that I be fishing. Yeah. I just dropped the bait, know the catfish on the way. Aquaquarium to the crease and then drop them on the plate. Early in the morning by the break of dawn. Oh, y'all know we getting up early now. Y'all better get it to the river, I'ma have some fun. Wake up! Oh, we gon' have a fine at any time. I'm the catfish king of the aquaquarium. The king now. Boats hooked up. Rides on the boat. Gonna have some fun. It's a pool, baby. I'm the catfish king of the aquaquarium.
March the 15th, and we already got baited up.
Down on the aquaquarium.
Got the poles in the water. We fishing with garlic, chicken, and Kool-Aid. That's what's in the bucket.
That barnyard pimp.
There you go. AJ done brought his bait in.
In the water.
It's still red. Still got that chicken flavor to it. Lick it and lick it.
Yeah, right.
See if it's got that flavor.
I go fishing, I eat fish.
Here we go.
Fish
All
on.
right, we got a fish on. Look like the catfish king got a fish on. The very first one of the day. And once he get him in the boat, we'll take the stank off the boat.
We got some power on here.
What you say now?
We got some power here. Nice.
Oh
one.
yeah, buddy.
Nice one for the open season.
Look at him, look at him. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First one of the day, first one of the season. Go on, catfish. That's why they call you the king. Yeah.
Right. Get the
Yeah.
stink off the boat.
Say that one more
Stink off the
time.
boat.
All right.
That's it.
Finally got it.
All right. Let me turn this around here.
Mm-hmm.
Drop this down. Yeah, I didn't see it neither.
Look at him.
Time to go to work, boy. Keep hope alive.
Yes.
That's a 7 to 8 pound.
You got the pliers?
Don't need them.
Okay.
What a rough horse.
7 to 8 pounds,
There
y'all.
you go. Hey, gave him a kiss.
Yes, sir.
There you
Bob.
go.
But he going in the bucket.
Going in the bucket.
Head first.
Fish on.
AJ
Oh,
hooked up.
AJ.
AJ's hooked up.
That DGE or DGF.
DGF.
Damn good fisherman.
I got plot right here.
No?
False alarm.
False alarm. Meanwhile,
We are tangled up.
we got a tanglement. AJ, the fisherman, the DGE, he decided to catch his own pole.
Tangled, boy.
Wait a minute.
Now sometimes me, I hold yours tight. I cut this mess, but since I still might cut. What? Get him, John.
Get him, John.
I need the net.
Hold on.
Hold on, I'm getting in that.
We got excitement. John got one on. Hey, John, don't lift him up. Don't lift him up. But keep the reel on. John's over here. AJ's over here. John's fighting one. AJ's finna bring one on the boat with the boys. I'm going back over here to the boys. He's leaning over the boat. He got him. Bring him in. Nice one. Catch the net. Get the net, AJ. Got another one right here. We're doubling up. Doubling up. You gotta get him out the net. You gotta get him out the net. I think we got 65-pound test on there. Start backing up. Yeah, you gotta keep the. There you go. Flipper.
Got a boat, Flipper.
All right. There we go. Play it. All right. Boy, there was some excitement there. We done double up. AJ got a whale.
Yes, he do.
AJ got a whale. Lift him up as much as you can there, guys. We was just about to move. I got it. Okay. We was just about to move and they started heating up. So we got 2 out the water. We was reeling up poles. John saw that one hitting. I had the camera, so John had to catch that one. All right.
See it, DGF.
He didn't even know it was on the hook. How about DGF?
Right.
How about, he got a sleeper.
He's a DLF, a damn lucky fisherman.
What's that, a catfish?
You don't want him?
Whoa, let me throw this in reverse.
That
Lord.
joke right
Oh,
there.
yeah.
Lord.
How you get him in? Nice one. How you get him on that?
That's crazy right there.
Hey, Jack. Oh, he got it ready there. Why you get that thing in that little boat? What's that, a flathead?
You want him?
Nah. I mean, I was coming here for crappie.
Yeah.
Hit him out, John.
Don't
You put him with a small pole.
On that little ass hook.
Man.
When I got him on the guy, I get barely, the hook just right off.
That's a big one there, baby.
Ooh-wee. What the hell we gonna put him in? Look at that.
Look at that.
Good catch.
Good job, bro. Yeah.
It's all right, John.
Straight up.
Hold it straight up, straight up. There we go. That's a nice flathead. Man, appreciate it, man.
Thank you, sir.
And you're gonna be on my show. It's the Catfish King of the Aquaquan
Okay.
on YouTube.
All right,
So
nice.
check you out.
How many crabs you pull out so far?
Man, I got 2 little small ones, man. I spent like the last 20 minutes fighting.
Well, good luck, man.
Good luck, man. Good job, dude.
Put that scale on it. And then,
I saw zeros.
you got it?
Come on.
I can't see.
Some of the berry dying in this mother dribble. There we
It's
go.
on now.
Now.
Hold on. And
No,
then
I
hit
hit the units. Yep, there we
Now
go.
put him on there. We're gonna see how much this here fish weigh, y'all. 21, 22, 22, about 22 pounds.
22?
Yeah, he 22. And that's flathead though. We ain't never ate no flathead.
We'll leave it this way.
All right, the one AJ caught, 11.5.
Okay.
I'm saying 11.5. It's a nice one.
What you
11.5.
splashing for? You ain't getting out. You can splash all day. You ain't going nowhere. You going to the bottom of the bucket, bub.
To the bottom of the bucket.
From the bucket
To the skillet.
Then messed around and caught my niece.
Call a granddaddy out here, a whole flathead.
That's Uncle Earl.
You say
Grandpa
that.
Cleveland.
Who you calling?
Uncle Earl.
Scoop from the top, scoop from the top, and back to you. Ain't no holding on.
I got it.
Anything on it?
Yep.
Yep. Oh, nice size too.
Got one. Here, AJ, take the camera. Put it on them and the fish. There we go. There we go. Noodles is working.
You can spin all you want, dog. You done.
Noodles are working.
I thank you.
Let me see. Turn this to there.
That's a nice one.
Nice size on the
I
noodle.
thank you.
About an 8 pounder.
That's a GQ.
8 to 9.
That's a GQ boy.
Give it a kiss.
No, not today. Hey, look, and I'm you.
Well, I don't know if he's gonna fit in the bucket. There you go. Put him head first.
You can dive down in the bucket.
Throw
Keep
some
yourself
water in 'em.
diving.
All right, let's go to the next one. Let's go get this one that's standing up over here. We got fish showing all on the screen. Yeah, we are picking up noodles.
That one.
There's 2 down there.
And one over there.
There's 2 down there. One further down. Okay, scooping on the right hand, left hand side. And he's moving, he's trying either sitting still, cause he shouldn't be trying to go back up that way if the wind's blowing. Mm-hmm.
Go that way. Go to your left.
Something's on here.
Oh yeah, got it.
What? What? Did the line, slow down, slow down. Did the line break?
Yes, the line
He
broke.
gone. He gone.
Yeah, the line broke.
Okay, to the front of you. I heard it say snap.
That joint said ping.
I heard it say snap.
That line said ping.
And that's a 30-pound test line on there too. He's running.
You're trying to run. But I bet we can run faster than you can.
They set up this time, y'all. They set up this time. Slow down when you lift up.
I'm going nowhere.
Is he on there?
Yeah, he over there.
They got it. Noodles is working. Noodles is working. That's 3 for 3 and 1 broke off. That's a nice one.
Nice.
Who's that? Had that net on that first.
All right, John, you gotta take. It's the boys. I got the crew. AJ Outlaw, the voice,
Yes.
JC Raider. We went out this morning, y'all, and we slayed them. I think we got about 13 and 1 gimme and a couple of losses.
And 2 tangles and a pear tree.
2 tangles and a pear tree. So We gonna let y'all cut. All right, so ladies and
no problem, man. No problem at all. Hey, fella.
she must got a good one. There he is. There he is. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. Oh yeah. She got him. That's a nice 15. That's a nice one, John. Drop the net. Drop the net. There you go. Look how big that rascal is.
That's about almost the same size as that one.
Oh, John, you barely had it. You barely. See that? You barely had that fish, boy. Good catch. Good catch. Put the scale on him. You gotta put the scale on him.
Nice 20.
That's what you guessing?
Mm-hmm. Hold on.
What?
Yeah.
What? Oh, slobber knocker. 21, close to 22.
22. 22.
We'll give you 22. That might be the last one. Wait, how you feeling now, JC? How you feeling now?
Hey, did it. Got him.
Groceries. What?
I'm wearing them out, y'all.
JC Raider.
Come to get them.
Bring him in slow now. You got him. Just keep that pressure on. He might be some size. But he ain't just coming.
I'm trying to get close.
He's some size. He's a good 10 pounder. 8 to 10.
I said about 6, 8,
What?
6, 7. Sit down on him.
Oh, he's about 7. Only thing got you is that net right there. Okay, that's one from here. Nice. Over here waiting that motor.
Oh yeah.
You got him.
I knew it was because it was too much slack in it. I saw all that slack, I'm like, hold up, I'm reeling, it ain't nothing moving. Barely had it. Barely had it.
Fish on.
Fish on. Trying to say something. He don't want to talk right now. He got shy. It's all right. He can get shy all day long. to blow. He just want to be recognized. So he's in it now. All right, we'll holler at y'all later. So, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Please hit that like and subscribe. And we'll holler at y'all later.
Peace.
That was a weak one.
That was.